Hi, my name is Divya and I'm a facilitator at KLAY Orbit, Hyderabad. I'm excited to tell you about an activity I've introduced in my class, Mini Journalist. This activity was introduced by talking about who a journalist is and what they do. Children learn that journalists ask questions, find answers, and share stories. The children got to role play as a journalist, for which they had to observe and collect information on what was happening in the class and collect news to share with their friends. The children reported about birthdays, activities in the class, and special events. Here's how we implemented this in the class.
Hi everyone, my name is Anita, the Center Director, KLAY Orbit. The mini journalist activity designed and implemented by Divya gave children a platform to communicate their thoughts and experiences creatively.
Hello, my name is Apurva and I am the curriculum lead at KLAY Orbit. It was wonderful to see how much the children enjoyed being mini journalists.
This reminded me how empowering it is for children when they take charge of their own learning.
This activity not only supported their language and communication skills, but also gave them a platform to build their confidence and curiosity.
As they shared the news about their class, interacted as reporters with their peers, they built self-confidence, language skills, and a sense of responsibility.
The smiles, laughter, and eagerness they showed each time they engaged in this activity reflected how much they enjoyed the experience.
It was heartening to see such activities help children become more expressive and observant, qualities that will support lifelong learning journey.
Congratulations, Divya!
Congratulations, Divya!